Well, Barker wasn't feeling too good yesterday, so we kept him home from school today, but I think he's doing just fine. Who's that? It's Fix It Felix, that's right. That's how you're looking up that toy on eBay, too. You'll probably get you another one. Let me see.
Stop packs.
Love you, bye-bye. I didn't realize it was so cool out that Will Barker didn't have a jacket on. So you got Daddy's jacket. There's still a little bit of warmth from him in there, too. Well, you got some eggs on your front there. Thanks, Eddie. I think it's just us. There's a few people out here today. But it is a school day. Mm-hmm. Really?
I get to see.
Let me get this. There we go. He might make it. You gonna make it, Will? I never. You can make it over if you wanted to, Will. What do you think? You gonna make it over? Yeah, just make it down. Baby. There we go. So get your toy. Will, get your drink. Get your drink. You'll get over there eventually. Spin, spin, spin. Spin some more. Spin some more. Got stuff going pretty good there. There we go. Right here. Right here. The car. The car. There we go. There we go.
Yeah.
So love you, bye bye. Will Barker, I think they sense that you got seagulls and the geese. Since you got some French fries, so they Willie. That's French fries. That's right. You got French fries. You want to give one to the geese? Want to give one to the geese? Look out! Throw it on the ground. Throw it on the ground. No. Throw it on the ground. Throw it on the ground. Okay, let's go before they get you. Let's go, Silly Willie. Go sit on the side of the table. It's cold, Silly Willie. It's cold, Silly Willie. There we go. Oh no! Oh no! No! We saved most of them. We saved most of them. I think they saw something happen.
Bye.
Gonna go to the bridge out there? You're gonna go home. It's cold. Okay, let's go to the bridge, the pier. Dump that out here. Here, Goose. The crow. Let's go on the bridge real quick and go on home. It's getting cold. Yeah, they get you, Will. Well, come on. Go. You'll go home.
Let's go.
It's cold. You'll go home. Let's go on the pier real quick, or you'll go home.
Let's go to the bridge.
Let's go to the bridge. Come on. Go to the bridge real quick. Let's go to the bridge and let's go home. That's enough. Oh, that's a hurt leg. Give me a french fry for the hurt leg. There you go. They're coming for you, silly Willy. You're okay, boy. You're okay.
Hey, look out.
Uh-oh. Will, come on. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Look.
There you go. The crows are coming too. Well, here. Here we go. There we go. Here are the seagulls. See the seagulls, Will? Okay. Let's dump this out. Nothing left in there. Okay. Ready to go home? Let's go home. It's cold.
Go out there.
Huh? Okay, we'll go there next time, okay? It's cold. They have to get ready for the interview. Okay. There we go. Salty. We'll go some other time today.
Next time.
Next time, look at the seagulls, silly Willy. A flock of seagulls. Will, come here. Will, come on. Let's look at the seagulls. Scavengers. I tell you what, we'll do something. We'll get some of the seagulls some food. Let's do this, silly Willy. Will Barker, come on. Feed the seagulls. Come on. Silly Willy's Doritos, but see? See? Look at those seagulls, silly Willy. That's a lot of seagulls, silly Willy. You feed him some more?
You feed some more?
Look, Will, here they come. Look at them. They're pretty, aren't they? Those are some beautiful birds, silly Willy. There's some beautiful birds, silly Willy. My mama will like that, but there's the crow. Okay. Go to your seat. There's the crow. Hmm? Oh, well, go take a seat. Go take a seat. There they go. On the bridge? We'll go there next time, say Willy.